Hey, it's Joel McFadden, Mentor Jeweler, and today we're talking about used tools. So I've noticed in some of the discussions there's been a lot of talk about where could you find used tools, especially like a used Benchmade. So I have one of my Benchmates, but it's kind of old, it's been around for a long time. So I thought, first of all, I'm going to share two places where you can commonly find used tools. The first is David Geller's site, and I will post that link below here. The second one is a Facebook page called Jewelry Tool Garage, run by a good friend of mine, Mark Grosser from Indianapolis. Is a great site. It's a Facebook page. I'll link that one also. Now, if you do end up getting a used Benchmate, usually they come with a little bit of rust on them because the jewelers quit working or whatnot. So you want to WD-40 it down. But there's really only one part on a Benchmate that ever works out, and that's these little plastic inserts, and they wear out pretty easily. So if you watch, I'm going to show you how to replace those, because you can buy the new inserts from most suppliers that sell the parts, and they're very inexpensive, and you buy a set of them. You can also glue little leather circles in here if you want something a little grippier. So you just want to dismantle by taking the screw off the bottom, popping this up. Now we're going to take something and put right there to hold this. And then we're going to take a tool, using my trusty nail, knock this one out. See, it's kind of rusty. And you want to take this opportunity to clean up the rust in here too, but I'm not going to do that for the sake of the video. Knock this one out. I'm going to put our new inserts in here one at a time. And the way you want to do this is just set it in like that. Set this one in like that, and then just hammer it. There you go. Brand new inserts. This is going to act like a brand new tool. So once we get all the rust off of it, screw it back together, and there you go. So that's one of the great advantages to a lot of the better jeweler tools. They really don't wear out. They might need a little maintenance every now and then, but that's about it. So the first site is David Geller's site. The second site is the Facebook page, Jewelry Tool Garage. We've also had some discussion about how do you price the work that you do, whether you're doing it wholesale or at a retail store or for your own. So I'm going to suggest David Geller's book. What David did is, over several years, he came up with a pricing guide for the different operations that a bench jeweler would do, even carving wax or hand forging pieces. So this is an incredible tool, and it's pretty much standardized in the professional jewelry world. Most professional custom jewelers use this or some variation of this. So I'm going to suggest this too, and it's on the same site, and the link for this will be in the bottom there too. So I hope you find this helpful. Thanks very much, and remember to subscribe.